Hey everyone, what's up? And welcome to the Phil Studio. Today is a great day because we're going to replace a battery inside of a HP laptop. Enjoy. So my customer has this old DY-2018 CA HP laptop and the battery has started to perform badly. I recommended a replacement battery for this model. By the way, you can find the model of the HP laptop and a link to the replacement battery in the description of the video. Opening a laptop is a bit like solving a puzzle. Each model and brand has its quirk, but most of the time it comes down to this: a combination of screws in clips. I started by removing all the visible screws underneath the laptop. Then, without hesitation, I peeled off the two small rubber strips that stop the laptop from slipping or slipping on surfaces. Pro tip: always check under these strips or under manufacturer's stickers, because surprise, you'll usually find hidden screws. In this case, there were six of them. You'll also notice me using a funky yellow screwdriver. It came with the replacement battery, and honestly, I thought, why not give it a chance? So it wasn't bad, so I used it for this video. With all the screws out, I paused for a moment. Since this was only the third laptop I've ever opened, I wanted to tread carefully. Replacing the battery would only take a few minutes once the laptop was open, but rushing this step could lead to trouble. After some poking and figuring things out, I remembered those pesky clips. You know, the one that always seems ready to break? I grabbed the sharpest, thinnest tool I could find and began prying around the keyboard. The moment I heard that satisfying click, I knew I was on the right track. Slowly but surely, I worked my way around the edge, unclipping everything until the back cover was ready to come off. A quick flip, not a kick flip, a quick flip, and the cover came off smoothly. Important tip: always be careful when using sharp tools on laptops or screen. It's easy to leave scratches or dents if you're not gentle. The battery was easy to spot. It was held in place by just a few screws. Once I removed them, the battery lifted out effortlessly. It was connected by a pressure fit, so there's no clip or clicks here. So when installing the new battery, make sure it's properly aligned and firmly pressed into place. You'll see me like do it twice because I figured out it need a little push in order to fit in its space properly. And after just a small push, it was nicely snagged in place. So with the new battery in, I screwed everything back down and snapped the back cover on. Click, 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 click. That satisfying sound told me that the clips were all secure. Finally, I replaced the screws and reattached the rubber strip. Fingers crossed they'd stick again. And yes. Before calling it today, I powered up the laptop to make sure everything worked, and the laptop turned on, so it was a success. I double checked that the charger was powering the battery or just charging the battery, and just like that, another job well done. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Son, how do you push stop on that?